Hi, I'm Kara, and this is Craig. Welcome to our garden. Today we're going to show you how to introduce native plants into an already established garden space. So we wanted to create a pollinator garden, and what we learned is that if we wanted to increase biodiversity in our yard, that we needed to start with native plants. Unlike some of the other plants we used to have in our garden, native plants naturally occur and are part of our local ecosystem. That means they provide food and habitat to a wide variety of native butterflies, birds, bees, and other animals. So here's an example of a small area to get started. As you can see, the mint has really taken over. So the plan is to remove from this area and replace with native plants.
I think you're going to like working with native plants because they're really easy. Unlike a lot of the other plants that we're used to in traditional gardens that aren't from this area, native plants, once they're established, are going to require very little watering. And another thing is, even though we're going to remove quite a bit of this area, we're probably not going to need that many native plants in here because they're going to want to spread. So in a couple years, it's going to look like they've been here for a long time. But everyone's garden space is different. For instance, we're in partial shade, and we're also on a slope, so there's a lot of drainage here. So these are primary things to keep in mind when we go to buy native plants.
Join us next time for our video on planning for this garden space, and until then, happy gardening!